Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Here I have a harness, a lower engine harness from a 1993 600 SL. Repaired these wires here, and let's take a look at it just to show that this is complete and ready to go. This is the part number. The new wires are snaked through original sheetings, to the best of my ability. So here we have the power supply, the main power supply. We have our starter connector, starter bendix right here. In this area, since the covering was all destroyed, I had to secure it very hard here because you don't want the metal edges to cut into the wiring. So this was all secured and beefed up pretty nicely. Okay, so these are the wrapped wires because again they were all exposed. Original grommets are still good, these two, and this attachment point here. Same for this one here. We have oil pressure switch. We got oil level switch connector that survived, by the way, that's a rare case. And of course we have two wires for our alternator. Okay, and basically that would be all. This is just a quick video to show the harness being done and ready to be reinstalled back into the vehicle. Alright, so this is going to be all for me. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.